For today's response to reading, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. We will be responding to the story Rumpelstiltskin. Earlier today, we talked about characteristics of fairy tales. Those characteristics we discussed includes magic, things happening in threes, and happy endings. So I want you to think about Rumpelstiltskin and the story itself. Today, you are going to be giving examples of those three characteristics that happen in Rumpelstiltskin. The directions are as follows. Number 1, think about the story Rumpelstiltskin and the three fairy tale characteristics of includes magic, things happening in threes, and happy endings. Number 2, fill in the chart on the next page with examples from Rumpelstiltskin that show or prove those characteristics. And number 3, I gave you some hints here with questions you need to answer. So, in the first box, you will be answering, how does Rumpelstiltskin have magic in it? The second one, you will answer, what happened in Rumpelstiltskin 3 times, or things that occurred in threes. The last question you'll answer is, how did Rumpelstiltskin end in a happy way? I'm going to click to the next box. This is where you will type your examples of each characteristic. So, how did Rumpelstiltskin include magic? Click and type your example here. How did Rumpelstiltskin happen in 3? Or what happened in Rumpelstiltskin 3 times? There might be more than one answer for this. In Rumpelstiltskin, how did the ending end up happy? Type that here. Once you have all 3 of these boxes filled in with examples of the characteristics, click Submit Assignment for your teacher.